In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a single column layout in Webflow using a div block. A single column is the simplest, most readable structure on the web, and the good news is that Webflow makes it straightforward. We'll use the recommended approach, a standard div block. Think of a div block as a flexible container. By default, it behaves like a block-level element, which means anything you place inside it stacks from top to bottom. That natural stacking gives you a clean, single-column flow without extra configuration. First, open the Add panel and drag a div block onto your canvas. This will be your main content wrapper. You can place it directly on the page or inside an existing section, depending on how your project is organized. Once it's on the canvas, you have the foundation of a single column. Next, add your content inside that div block. Text elements, images, buttons, or even other div blocks. As you drop items in, you'll see them line up vertically in the order you add them. That's the single column layout at work, and it's ideal for reading experiences like blogs, landing pages, and simple product pages. Because the div block is doing the heavy lifting, there's nothing special you need to configure. If you want to fine-tune the design, you can style the container with a class, adjust spacing for comfortable rhythm, and choose type sizes that support readability. Many designers also limit line length with a max width and center the container on larger screens. On smaller devices, this layout naturally adapts so your content remains stacked and easy to scan. As you preview the page, scroll to confirm the vertical rhythm feels natural. Rather than inserting line breaks to create space, rely on margins on your elements or padding on the parent container. It keeps spacing consistent and easy to adjust later. If you're pulling content from a CMS, single column behavior applies. The items will render in order, one beneath the other. For example, a heading, a paragraph, an image, and a button will appear one after another as you add them. If your project might grow into multiple columns later, remember that you can also use Webflow's grid or columns elements and set them to a single column. But when your goal is a straightforward, dependable single column today, the div block is fast, predictable, and easy to maintain. That's all there is to it. Add a div block, drop your content inside, and let the browser's normal flow create your single column layout. Simple structure, strong readability, and responsive by default. Perfect for clean, professional pages in Webflow.